Hi Libra, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, may I request you to please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you like to watch such videos. And do let me know at the end of this reading how these energies are playing out in your life. And this is your monthly reading for the month of July 2020. So let's proceed and see what's coming up in the month of July for you, Libra. Spirit, please show me clearly what is coming up for Librans in the month of July 2020. Alright. We have a Four of Pentacles, a Three of Cups, and a King of Pentacles. We also have a Ten of Swords, a Five of Pentacles, and a Three of Pentacles. So Libra, just give me a moment, you guys. Libra, financially, I think this month is going to be very, very rewarding for you. And even if there was money stuck somewhere, there is a very strong chance that you might get this. I also feel that someone may try to, take undue advantage of you. So watch out for that. And those around you could even be playing on your positive energy or maybe sucking on your positive energy. So you need to draw a healthy boundary around yourself. Maybe, have a timetable or a schedule where you will spend this time solely in your own company and not allow any worldly chores or concerns to bother you, which is very important because as you go forward in your spiritual journey, I see that a lot of people who are hassled in this moment are going to come around and approach you. They may even, ask for too much. So, something they never thought they'd approach you with or do, they might just come around and ask that from you. And it is very important for you to guard yourself at this moment to protect your energies, Libra. I also see some kind of a big financial gain coming into your life in the month of July. This could be probably to after the 15th of July, and I'm feeling some amazing energies. I also feel that you will be able to draw that boundary and keep a schedule for yourself where some healthy practices to for upkeep of your body and mind are going to keep you busy, and they are so important right now. You may already be on your journey to taking care of your health, your diet, your mental well-being, your spiritual well-being. I also feel that you are not the kind of person who says no easily, so you're definitely not a people pleaser, but you love to go out and help people, and that's one of your strong characteristics that draws people in myriads to you. So but you've also got to take care of yourself. There is someone or some energy or something around that I see who could try to play up on your reputation or maybe try to destruct your image, but I don't see that happening. They cannot get away with that. You are divinely protected at this moment in time, so don't allow these small little things to come in the way of your higher learning and working on this spiritual path. Libra, I also feel that there's someone or this energy who could try and be a little try and harm your image, will be revealed to you just in time, and you will be able to take care of the situation. So there is nothing to fear. You must not fear. You must keep going on your higher path and higher learnings. I also see that because of this divine protection, you are going to feel and you're going to see that the roads, some ways are opening up for you. Something that you did not think about in the past, even those, they are surfacing now. And one by one, there will be opportunities. They may not look so important at the face value, but one by one there will be opportunities that you must take and go forward. However, personal discretion is important here. So Libra, quite beginning, I even see that there could be new relationships also forming here. So if they're forming at the career front or professionally, they look good. But try not to go in for any personal relationships, or do not fuel someone's imagination in the month of July. That could give wrong ideas to them, or maybe just yourself, and it's not going to be a pretty picture in the end. I also see that you could be wanting to so much interact with your soul tribe, soul family, and you really want to go out and meet like minded people. Interaction, socializing, gathering are like on your mind right now. And even though if your external environment does not allow that, I feel that meant in one way or the other, you are going to take care of it while you maintain that inner peace and balance. Libra, I'm also being guided to tell you that towards the second and third week of the month of July, you need to be extra cautious with your health, especially with your digestive system, and maybe trying to remain calm and not get anxious, or not trying to keep your nerves calm. So these two things are very important. I'm not a doctor, but I do see that you need to be cautious around this. For any proper guidance, you must see your GP or your you know your family doctor. And I also feel, Libra, that someone who is not so positive about you or your work, or maybe that the same person that I spoke about earlier, could show up between the second and the third week of July. Do you need to worry? I also feel that it is because of them or their attitude, or maybe their behavior, something they do, you could end up seeing a new opportunity, or maybe walking on a new, more productive, more fruitful path that they didn't see, or they never thought you could come around to. So, this is actually changing an adversity into an opportunity in your case, Libras, and this is a time of big change happening in the month of July for you. I also feel that because there is divine protection, and there is a lot of help coming around for you from various sources, a lot of people are going to approach you, and there would be some situations that they could put up in front of you, and it is because of those situations, those challenges, what they are going through in their life, that it will motivate you to think in terms of how you can do something better, or how you can outdo your previous achievements, or maybe the way you work. And we have a Queen of Pentacles here. So the Queen of Pentacles is saying that because this is a month of such big transformations for you, Libra, I don't think you're going to go back and look at this month of July in the same way as you began. So these changes are meant to happen to you in such a rapid way, or maybe they're going to come in your life in the month of July, one after the other. You will be able to sense when they step in or when they come into your life, but you wouldn't be able to do much about them. But what you can do is how you react, or how you can turn this situation in your favor, and that is something that the universe is going to test for you in the month of July. So it is like an opportunity for your soul to grow and learn from higher learnings. I'm feeling drawn to draw some angel cards for you, Libra. So let's go forward and see what do the angels have to say. Angels, please tell me, please show me what messages you have for Libra in the month of July. All right. As I asked the angels, the card of courage flew out. Yes, can you see? So Archangel Ariel says, be courageous and stand up for your beliefs. So Libra, a lot of times when we do something, people might not come forward and support you, or they may feel that you're a little eccentric, and they may not see what you see in a certain way. But remember, when the first time someone mentioned about, traveling by air, or about aeroplanes, there were other people sniggering and laughing behind their backs, saying, you must be dreaming. But we have airplanes, we have so many other modes of transportation. So have belief, have your faith in place, be courageous to follow the path that you have chosen. And wow, I have another card, and it is the card of life review. You want to see? It says, take inventory of your life and resolve to change or heal anything that is unbalanced. And this draws me to maybe a past few weeks or maybe some time ago. That's something that's still playing on your mind, and you're unable to overcome that. It's time to let go. Let go and let God, because small little things happen. We cannot be living on a bed of roses all the time. So if there are situations which were unpleasant or didn't go the way we wanted them to, you've got to learn to walk out and walk away from them. Sometimes things are not in our hands, but what is in our hand is the way we choose to react, and how we, take inventory of our situation. And that's what your angels are asking you to do in the month of July, Libra. Pretty powerful reading for you, Librans. And so much transformation is meant for you in the month of July. Wishing you guys all the so very best. And if you like this reading, I'd appreciate it if you can give it a thumbs up, and do comment below and let me know how these energies play out in your life. And I love to go through each one of your comments and respond to them. So guys, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. So until we meet again, bye bye. And I will be uploading guidance on the lunar eclipse on 5th of July 2020. So watch that and see how that's going to affect your sign. So bye bye for now, and stay safe, stay healthy.